Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you how you can download free video editor on this website. The website is called NCH Software. So you just have to type NCH Software there, and then you just search for it. This will come up, it will bring you to this page. Then from here you can just search, quick search here, type of product you want. So you can just search video software. So the video software, it will bring you these different types of video softwares that are there. There's a YouTube video editor, video for banning, animate, and this one, videopad. It's the one we're looking for here. So you just click there. So just say keep, yeah, it will download. So just let it download. It's done. Then open it. Say yes. Then you accept. Next. So just like that, just wait for it to install. There you go. So this is how it shows up. And sometimes when it brings you to this page, it will ask you for your registration code. So for the code, when it asks you for your registration code, just check the description. I'll leave the code there. You just use the same code and that's it. So this is free. So if you like this video, you can just subscribe, like it. You can even leave a comment if it's giving you any struggles. That's it.